Good morning. Hope you're having a great day, and hope you're having a great weekend. Actually, it's Sunday here. I'm about to have my breakfast, my early morning breakfast here at my backyard. And what I'm doing right now is going to consume 6 raw eggs, and that is what I do just about every morning. Um, and a lot of people say don't eat your eggs raw because you can get you can get bacteria and whatnot. But as long as you buy organic eggs from a good source and ensure that the egg is clean outside, you don't get any of the outside into the egg, into your cup, then we should be fine. But I find it so so essential for my health, and I'm in the best shape of my life today. So I'm gonna share every day a little bit of what I do, so that you can empower yourself, inspire yourself, and live on the beaches of the world. Live the dream the dream life that you always desire to excel to and live with your loved ones. And even if you're single, you can still travel the world and do the things that you love to do. Okay. But it's important that we understand the subject of money, how to obtain money without working, how to set up systems that can do the selling and telling for us, that are selling, legitimate products that people actually want, solutions people want, and and um, and anything that is of value for humankind. So, as entrepreneurs and investors, what we like to do here in our company, we like to teach how to always innovate, how to always be unique, how to grab something and make it better, that already exists. And if you come up with something new, then great, built on that too. But what we want to show you here is the ability, number one, is to make money without working. Okay, a master investor, our rule number one is we do not work for money, we make money work hard for us. And that is in our core, because we understand that once we do that and once we are married to that standard, then we're on the path to riches without any blocks. And I mean any blocks, mental blocks, because mindset is key in becoming successful in your business and in personal life. So we're going to mix personal development, finance development, and investment development. Okay, and they're all related to each other, because in order to grow an organization, we must grow as leaders, meaning that we must double down on our self-development. Okay, and that is very key in our company as well. We encourage, and we're building a culture of attending events, of going to different places, whether they're webinars or whether they're virtual webinars or actually physical web events. Right now with the COVID-19, they're everything is going virtual, which is fine, because it's something that we needed very much. I think it's actually helping us ask entrepreneurs online, because we have more clients coming in. Okay, we have more people interested in, hey, you know what, how can I make the same money that I make at the regular job, working 40 hours, working from home, doing 20 hours or doing 15 hours, and hopefully doing just an hour a day, overseeing the operation. And that's the whole goal, to have everything autopilot that produces you income. And what we do is we control the franchise, we control the digital franchise, the system, the business that is selling, the website that is selling the products for us, and while we sleep, because we have campaigns of marketing, going out as we sleep, and clients buy at that moment when they get that message from Facebook, or when they get that message on Instagram saying, hey, look at this product, we noticed that you purchased this last month, and I think this product might help you, or whatever. Because the systems are actually literally allows us to pinpoint where the client is and where they are and who wants to buy our solution and who purchased that solution before from a different provider, and we can present them with a better price and more value, perhaps, okay, to win them over. So many opportunities online, and I'm so glad to be sharing this moment with you, because is truly something that we're passionate about here at Master Investor. It is something that is truly in our core value, in our core values of the mission of the company, because we understand once people break free from the rat race, meaning you stop working for money and now money's coming in, then we become a totally different people. We tap into our best qualities that we were gifted with. And when we do that, we become alive. We can pursue our passions, we can pursue our dreams, we can fulfill our goals at all costs. And in fact, we'll find a lot of happiness in that journey. So when we take care of the money, when we learn that money is not the root of evil, the lack of money is the root of evil, but not the love of money, not the wanting to learn about how to have money coming in like the rich. How can I obtain what I want without working? And legally, this is what it boils down. We're rich people. We obtain everything that we have for free because we learn how to build a business or an asset that produces for this home that I'm in right now. Okay, I have different homes around the nation, around the world. So I get a business and that produces enough to pay the mortgage or the rent for the home that I'm in. Same thing for the cars, same thing for the travel. So whatever hobby you want to have, we must build an asset that produces enough cash flow to cover the expenses of that so we can fulfill and pursue that at all costs without having to say, well, you know what, I have to go to work, can't go to that restaurant, or you know what, can't go to here, or you know what, can't because the lack of money. One of the rules we also have in our company is that we prohibit people from saying the words can't afford and I don't have it. That is a very poor and a scarcity mindset and vocabulary. So what we want to do is instill you with better words that can get you out of that situation, because at the end of the day, being broke is only temporary. Being poor is forever. So we want to make sure that if you having problems financially, that there are solutions to that, and all is happening is that you don't know what is out there and how easy it is to get $250, $500, $100 a day on cash flow, on positive cash flow, on profit after all expenses are paid. How to get that coming over and over again without working. Okay, and so we have the proof, we have the testimonials, we have the membership site, we have the tools, we have the team, we have customer service, we're developing more tools, we're developing our app, we're doing so many great things for the people, because this company is built for the people. I want this company to literally put more money in people's pocket than any other company in the world, because of our teachings, because of what we do. We go back to the basics. It's real, it's legit, and it's fast, and it's convenient. Okay, so Master Investor is a strong brand. It's here to stay, and we're going to bring the Master Investor out of each and everybody, because at the end of the day, we're going to be playing with money for the rest of our life. It's the only game that we're going to be playing until we die. Think about it. We deal with money every day. We have to pay things, even if we're poor, even if we're rich, doesn't matter. We still have to deal with some kind of money. So why not become masters at money? Make money work hard for us. Don't chase money. Make money chase us. Send money out to work and bring more money back. That's the mindset, and that's what we're going to do here. Then once enough money is coming in from the assets that produces enough cash flow that covers all of your expenses, then that is when we tap into financial freedom. So it's very important to understand that, okay? And so let me get these eggs in because they're getting warm. So what I do, look, I have an egg right here. I crack it open. Oh shit. Fuck. Oh well. I don't think I'm gonna die for that. I dropped the eggshell on there and I shouldn't, but it's okay because it was clean. It's alright. These eggs are organic anyway. That's it. 8 eggs, and then all I gotta do is That's one right there. There's 6 in here. Two. It's not that bad either. They taste like nothing. It feels like you just have some gluey stuff in your mouth, but it's not even that bad. It's not like disgusting. I thought it would be disgusting when I started doing it a long time ago, and I really got used to it. And it's more like the look of it, and if you think about it, but once you swallow, it's really easy. It's easier than actually taking a pill, literally. Ooh. Oh, I have one more. Fuck. I have one more. Ooh, that one, I felt that one. I felt that one strong. That was strong. Eggs are very rich. They're very rich in let me get my phone up. They're very rich in vitamins. Actually, when little cows are sick, the farmers, why does it look blurry? The farmers tend to give that to the babies, to the little cows when they're sick. Actually, I think even the bigger cows too. They give raw eggs. When they get sick, they literally give them raw eggs, and it stabilizes their stomach. It really has something to it. And for me, I feel great. Like my mind feels amazing when I have those eggs. I feel good. I actually like them better like this than cooking them, because when I cook them, to me it's harder to eat them. I don't know why. I'm a very careful eater. I don't just eat anything, but I love eggs regardless, but I just find it that it's much easier and convenient to eat them raw, and I think it has a lot more benefits. I know it has a lot more benefits than actually eating them when they're cooked. So I'm just grateful that I'm able to do this every morning with organic eggs. I don't know if everybody can get organic eggs, but any type of eggs that you're familiar with that are good brand, you can trust to do them raw, and you will have a lot of health benefits with it. Okay, so if you want to learn how to make money with us online, please hit the link below. Okay, take a little time of your day, get to know us. We're serious about what we do and teach people how to make money online, and we want to hold you by the hand and help you make that money while you sleep, help you break free from the rat race. Go to masterinvestor.life and sign up for the free report that we have available there for you, and so much good stuff. Follow us on Instagram at Master Investor. We have free content there for you, money content, real content. You know, a lot of social media today is filled with garbage, with stuff that really takes time away from our greatness. So what we have decided in our company is that anything that we post is to inspire, to empower, and to help people make more money at the end of the day, right? To put more money into your pocket. The rich way, not by working hard, but by working less and by doing less and making a lot more money than you ever have in your entire life on autopilot. Okay, so follow us on Instagram, follow us on all social medias at Master Investor. And if you have any questions, drop them below. Let's go. Let me help you set up your business. If you need just consulting on how to grow your brand, we also offer those types of services. Please let us know what you need, and we can definitely help you put your business in front of the right customers. You know, when we market to everybody, we market to no one. So let's focus on the right client, or the avatar of your service and product. Who is the one that's ready to purchase that solution? Because you have a solution. So who needs it, right? And where are they? And who's ready to buy? Those are the people that we need to put that in front of them so beautifully that they just go and grab and go, because we're better than the competition. We have a better presentation, we have a better offer, and we provide more value and using less resources. So at the end of the day, you're not cutting anything on your end. In fact, you're putting more money in your pocket because you're working on volume maybe, and people are coming in that maybe otherwise they would have never came in before if you didn't, you know, excel on your presentation and so forth. So it's important that we are clever, we're unique, we're original, and we build good relationships with our clients. So customer service should be number one. Customers are always right. Some customers do need to get fired, and they need to forever not do business with our businesses because some of them are toxic, and we need to spot those. And we have a course on that, on toxic clients, okay? So anyway, it's all about money here. It's all about freedom. It's all about health, love, and happiness. The 4 pillars of life: health, love, happiness, and wealth. Okay, once we focus on those 4 pillars of life, then everything else that we do is going to be so solid and so strong that it's unbreakable, because we have built the foundation that literally can hold anything, any type of dream. Once you have love, once you have happiness, once you have wealth, and once you have health, you can literally go out there and do anything. You can be anything that you want to be. Because if you lack one of those, you can't do any of those great things that we want to do. If you lack of health, you can be a millionaire, and it doesn't work like that. So, you know, just make sure you hit the link below, and I'll see you in the next vid.